So, good day everyone. My report is all about somatoform disorder. So, what is somatoform disorder? Um, somatoform disorder is from the root word soma means body, and somatoform disorder involves pattern in which individual complains of bodily symptoms that suggest the presence of medical problems, but for which non-organic basis can be found that satisfactorily explain that symptoms. Such individuals are typically preoccupied with their state of health and with various presumed disorders or disease of bodily organs. So, somatoform disorders is a body disorders, or it can be a mental disorders that can affect to our body organs that have na sinasabi natin na na may sakit tayo na nagdudulot ito ng stress sa atin, at may sakit ito na kahit ang mga doktor o mga gamot ay hindi ito naipapaliwanag. Types of somatoform disorder. They have somatoform disorder. They have a ex, um, types of somatoform disorders. The first one is the conversion disorder. It is originally known as hysteria, involves a pattern in which one or more symptoms affecting voluntary, motor, or sensory function that mimic neurologically or other general medical condition. It is initiated by psychological factors, and it is not intentionally produced or feigned. The symptoms manifest themselves as sensory symptoms, motor symptoms, and visceral internal organ symptoms. So they have I give the example of symptoms, and this is with motor symptoms or deficits, a impaired coordination or balance, paralysis, lump in throat. With dun po sa motor symptoms po ay dito po ay may parang hindi po balanse po sa ating katawan, na parang kumbaga po parang stroke, na parang kalahati po ay hindi po may galaw, ganyan po. Tapos may iba pa naman po part na hindi naman po may galaw po, paralysis. Tapos po yung lump and throat po, parang pong may kwan po sa lalamunan, parang may kakaiba pong nangyayari. With sensory symptoms or deficit, deficit, loss of touch or pain, sensation, double vision, deafness, or hallucination. Dito po naman po sa sensory symptoms or deficits, nawawala po yung sense of touch po natin, tapos po nawawala din po yung pakiramdam po natin, na yung pag po may sugat tayo hindi po natin maramdaman. Tapos po sa yung paningin po natin yung para pong nagdodouble yung vision po natin. Dalawa po yung nakikita natin, pero sa tunay naman po ay iisa. Tapos po yung para po tayo ay hallucinate po, para pong may na may nag-pop up po sa ating vision na kung ano pong bagay na sa realidad po ay wala naman po, with seizures or convulsion with mixed presentation. So next is hypochondriasis, preoccupation with fears of having a serious disease based on person misinterruption of bodily symptoms. The preoccupation persists despite medical evaluation. The duration of the disturbance is at least 6 months, Some people may have both disease, conviction, mistaken belief of having a disease, and illness, phobia, fear of developing disease. So, yung may ganito naman pong mental disorder po ay, ito po ay, maaari po itong inisip po nila na pag po sila nagkasakit, halimbawa po ay nagkalagnat po sila, isipin po nila na ito po ay isang serious disease po na nagkakamali po sila na ito po ay parang sintomas lang. Tapos po ay yung inakala po nila na yun nga po pag po nagdediretso na nakalimang araw na po lagnat, isipin po nila na baka po sila ay mamamatay na kung ano, serious disease po ang nakakon po sa kanila. Tapos po, ang parang kon po nito, yung with poor insight during the current episode, the person does not realize that concern is excessive and unreasonable. Tapos po, ito kung sino po yung mayroon pong gantong sakit ay sila po ay may takot na po sila na magkasakit dahil pag naman po sila ay nagkasakit, di isipin po nila na ito po ay habang patagal ay paluba na po ng paluba. Next po ay somatization disorder. A history of many physical complaints beginning before age 30 years that occur over a period of several years and result in treatment being sought. Each of the following criteria has been met. 4 pain symptoms, 2 gastrointestinal symptoms, 1 sexual symptoms, 1 pseudoneurological symptoms. Common symptoms is headache, stingnya o pagsusuka, deafness, blurred vision, panlabo po ng paningin, tapos double vision, naduduling po, tapos chest, baka pananakit po ng dibdib po, tsaka po pananakit din po ng tiyan, stomach. So, para po itong parehas po dun sa po natin dun po sa hypo, kan po, tulad po sa conversion disorder po, parang pares lang po sila ng symptoms po. Disorder body or dysmorphic disorder. The disorder is characterized by preoccupation with image defect in appearance. A slight defect in appearance has markedly excessive concern. That is why the disorder has been referred to as image ugliness or interesting aspects of body. Dysmorphic disorder is sometimes people either become fixated on mirrors or avoid mirrors to an almost phobic extent. So, ang may example po ko dito is si Michael Jackson po. Si Michael Jackson po dati nung kanyang kabataan po is kulot po yung buhok niya, tapos pan po siya, yung brown po ang skin niya, tapos rounded po yung ilong niya. Tapos nung para pong ito, parang hindi po siya nakontento nung siya po sumikat. Nagparetoke po siya, nagpa long hair, straight, tapos nagpa pointed nose po, nagpaputi po ng skin. So, yung may mga ganito naman po disorder body disorder po ay sila po yung mga taong parang hindi po matali sa kanila pong panglabas na anyo. Gusto po nila ay presentable po, yung kumbaga po ay para po makakuha po sila ng atensyon. O kaya naman po yung parang wala naman po silang kagaya. Tapos po ang pain disorder. Pain disorder is characterized by pain is one or more anatomical sites with are clinically significant that there may have been clear physical reason or pain, but psychological factors play a major role in maintaining it. The pain has organic basis, is real and it hurts. It is not intentionally produced or feigned. Pain disorder associated with psychological factors. Pain disorder associated with both psychological factors and general medical. So, ang pain disorder daw po ay maaari po itong tunay po na pain or parang imaginary pain lang po na kumbaga parang naisip po natin na parang halimbawa pag natamaan po na sa bagay, isipin po natin masakit pero hindi naman po pala. Yang nakapekto po to na maaari po tong psychological po, yun nga po, yung isipin po natin na wag po tayo natamaan po tayo ng halimbawa po ng bato, maapektuhan po yung ating pag-iisip na maaari po itong ikumatay, ganyan po. Tapos po ay yun sa general medical po ay pag po nakainom po ng hindi po tamang gamot, yun isipin po ay parang tapos may nakaramdam po ng pananakit, tapos yun isipin po ay maaari po itong ikamatay. So that's all my report and I hope na may natutunan po. Thank you po.